Okay, you may have heard of this thing called the greenhouse effect. And what we need to look at is what exactly causes the greenhouse effect, what are the effects of the greenhouse effect, and is it a good or a bad thing? So let's get down to brass tacks and figure that out. You're going to be taking notes on the bottom part of the first page of your note sheet right here about the greenhouse effect. Okay, so what exactly is the greenhouse effect? It's when gases in the Earth's atmosphere, they absorb energy from the sun and they give off heat. What are some of those gases? Carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, nitrous oxides. There's a whole host of them. These are probably three of the biggest ones, okay? So how does it work? Well, the sun's energy comes to the Earth, and some of it is reflected right back into space by the atmosphere or by the Earth's surface. Some of that energy is absorbed by the atmosphere or the Earth's surface, and then it's converted into infrared radiation. And then that infrared radiation can escape into space, or that infrared radiation can be absorbed by greenhouse gases, and this is how the greenhouse effect works. And then those greenhouse gases can give off heat back to the planet. Okay. So this is a summary of how the greenhouse effect works. So is it a good or a bad thing? Well, when it's equal, when the energy coming in and the energy going out is the same, then it is a good thing. And it's also good because the planet would be extremely cold without the greenhouse effect. It would be a big, giant snowball, which pretty much would not allow life to exist. It's a bad thing if the energy coming in exceeds the energy going out. So if it's unbalanced, meaning that one way to do that would be an increase in greenhouse gases, which means an increase in heat, which would mean a hotter Earth. And that would make the greenhouse effect a bad thing. All right, so today in your assignment, there are two worksheets that you're going to do to look at not only what the greenhouse effect is and how it works, but also looking at what can affect the greenhouse effect, what can make the greenhouse effect do more work or less work. You're going to look at that in your assignments today. Good luck.